Good afternoon and good night, everyone. My name is Jun, and welcome to join this webinar on foundation models for interactive and text-guided 3D biomedical image segmentation. There are two major purposes for this webinar. First, we would like to give all top teams enough time to share their amazing solutions because each team only had very limited time to share their method during CVPR. Through this webinar, we hope to understand the top solutions better and exchange ideas for further improvements. And secondly, we also have launched the post challenge, and we will share more details. We understand that this may not be the best time slot for all participants and our audience, but we will record all the presentations and then share them on our website. So feel free to also check the recordings later. So here are the several major change updates. So first, we have open source the code and the models of together with their methodology paper and Docker containers for all top teams, also including the baseline. And all of them are already on the website, so feel free to check there. And secondly, we immediately launched the post challenge. So the goal is now we have open sourced everything, and the goal is to see where we can further improve the performance, especially where we can beat the current two baseline models for 3D interactive and text-guided algorithm. Since because of some like internal policy constraints, those two teams cannot fully open source their code base, yes, especially for the training code. Here are some details. Each team can make a new Docker submission every week if their performance is better than the first place on the validation set. And secondly, if the Docker can beat the first place on testing set, we offer three more author seats for your team in a challenge summary paper, and your paper will be principally early accepted in our proceedings. And also, all participants have a chance to publish their technical reports in our proceedings. We would like to maximize the diversity of the methods. So the paper deadline would be August 8. Here are some quite common questions. First is, should I stick to my previous solution in the post change? The answer is no. All participants can develop totally new methods and submit the new papers on the open review platform. No need, and it should be noted that no need to withdraw existing papers. Again, we want to maximize all the potential of the methods for interactive 3D segmentation or text-guided segmentation. Second question is, can I fine-tune the best model, for example, the interactive or biomed parts models trained for the challenge? So the answer is no. The reason is that we would like to all participants fully open source their uh, for make the top solutions fully open source and reproducible. As I briefly mentioned before, those two teams may not able to share their training code. So currently we don't allow to directly fine-tune their uh, best mod best those models trained for the competition to join the post challenge. Oops. And the next quite common question is that can I fine-tune the public models released on the forum before April 15th? So the answer is yes. Here is today's schedule, and each team will have 50 minutes to present their solutions. And also feel free to ask any questions in chat or unmute yourself after the presentation. And also from organizers side, and we will do our best to give highlights about an interactive and biomarker path implementation.